The facade of the Soul Garden house features operable louvers made of perforated mild steel, providing privacy from the close proximity of the neighborhood. During the day, they are opaque from the outside, but at night, when the interior light shines through, they become transparent and glow like a yellow jewel. The smallest plot size available in most of the residential developments in the city is about 2,150 square feet. A large requirement on such a small plot called for an introverted solution with a garden at the center, around which the other spaces function. This garden was elevated to accommodate parking, a room for domestic staff, and a games room on the stilt floor. The central double-height courtyard is covered with mild steel, laser-cut with parametrically designed perforations to create privacy. The perforations are smaller, where the adjacent building has an opening facing the courtyard, and larger where there is a blank wall. This system is covered with glass on top and stainless steel mesh on the sides as protection against rain and insects. The filtered light through these perforations stimulates tropical growth in the garden below. A cutout allows light to reach the games room in the basement. The garden also features a fountain, bringing the tropical environment to life with the sound of water. Wherever one is in the house, there is always a connection to the elemental nature of the garden. All services were directed to the south, acting as a barrier against the heat. The living, dining areas surrounding the garden feature operable sliding glass doors to contain the air conditioning. When these doors are open, the entire length of the house functions as a single space connected by the garden. The ceilings are left exposed after the concrete slabs are de-shuttered. The walls are mostly white, with occasional yellow accents. The flooring is a mixture of yellow and white cement oxide, handmade cement tiles, yellow tandoor and terracotta tiles. The children's bedroom has a balcony that opens to the east. A play nook is integrated into the wardrobe, overlooking the garden. Two bedrooms are on the upper level, connected by a corridor with a concrete bench. The study features a skylight that serves as a focal point upon entering the room. The study area is illuminated by the morning sun, which filters through the perforated screen and lights up the desk. In the master bedroom, the wardrobe features handmade canework, a disappearing craft. An integrated balcony opens to the garden below. The attached bathroom is transparent, allowing the internal planters to be visible, lit from the skylight above.